Hello and welcome to our guide on how to track lifetime value using Recharge and Littledata. We're assuming you're a Shopify store selling subscription products for around $19 a month and that you spend an average of $40 to acquire a new customer via AdWords. Now the problem is those new customers might be of three very different kinds. Kylie cancels after 3 days, Eric pays you 1 month then cancels, Andrea subscribes for 3 months. So Kylie you're really getting no value from. Eric is underwater, less than the acquisition cost, and Andrea is the only one making you money. We can see that with the lifetime value less marketing. So what we want to do is focus on Andrea, but unfortunately we can't tell the difference between them in Google Analytics. The process that Kylie goes through will actually be seen as three different events. The choosing of subscription and critically the information about what campaign she came from, the payment or recharge, and then the cancellation. And in Google Analytics, that last one isn't tracked at all, and those first two are going to be split. So the payments all appear to come from completely separate users that actually browse on your store. We can see this in Google Analytics under the channel grouping report, which is under acquisition. Now, by default, all of your sales are going to be appearing under direct, or nearly all. If you look at the last column over here, you'll see that actually 322, almost all the sales coming from direct, which is not true of our traffic. Now, with the Littledata integration, what happens is the customer still goes through the same process, but now all of those three events are linked back to the same person, Kylie, in this example. And we can see that working in Google Analytics on the same channels report, and we see that paid search now has 22 sales attributed and a fairly normal e-commerce conversion rate of 2%. So now it's working. And we can do that with the recurring transactions as well. So by default, again, these recurring payments are going to be attributed to different users. And that means that you can't link them together and get a lifetime value. And then what Littledata does is it links the second, third, fourth recurring payments all the way back to Andrea so that you can get the true lifetime value. Now, if we go back to the point, now we can actually look at the campaigns that drove us more people like Andrea and less like Kylie and Eric. So we can go to the AdWords campaigns report in Google Analytics. After installing the app, we can select a longer time range, maybe 3 months, and we can sort the campaigns by those that brought us revenue, lifetime revenue now. So we can see that this top one had a very positive effect. We spent £1,400 and got £7,000 back, and that's much better than some of the other campaigns. So we can really look at campaign or even by email by lifetime value. And then we can focus on Andrea and make more money. So what next? We hope you can install the Littledata Shopify app. We can also offer some consulting if you need to link Google AdWords accounts or import other kind of cost data. And then we offer a pro reporting package to help you give specific subscription reports and stop you having to wade around in Google Analytics to uncover these insights. So we hope that you can make use of those two great apps together and get better insights into your subscription payments.